Good morning, lovely children of KTEC High School Junior College. Yes, you all are my lovely students. I love you all, and I'm wishing you a very bright, cheerful morning. So, children, today we are going to do a lesson which we left in the previous session, half of it. A very beautiful based on friendship. We started 3.3, the last leaf. So let's get started with our second session, children. In the first session, what did we do? There were two friends, John C. and Sue. They came from different parts of United States. They started living together. They bought an apartment. They were struggling artists. And they got another friend called Mr. Behrman, who was also a struggling artist who wanted to paint a masterpiece. And one day, John C. falls sick, caught with pneumonia. She became a victim, or you can say prey to pneumonia during an epidemic. And Shu takes care of her best friend because they are living together. She loves her. But John C. has that wrong belief that the moment the last ivy leaf which will fall from the vine tree outside the window, she will die. And the doctor had said that the medicine will not work unless a person has a desire to live. She has a very good chance of living, but she doesn't want to live. So nobody can help. Now let's see further. You can see O. Henry. Today we will do page number 68 and few lines of on page 69 because it completes the paragraph, children. The last leaf. Let's get started. It made my head ache to count them, but now it's easy. Now what is जॉन सी टेलिंग कि पहले मुझे बहुत तकलीफ होती थी इतने सारे लीव्स काउंट करना, अभी मुझे ज़रा भी प्रॉब्लम में बिकॉज देर आर वेरी फ्यू. देयर गोज अनदर वन. नाउ शी इज काउंटिंग. एक और गिरा लीव. देर आर ओनली 5 लेफ्ट नाउ. 5 what dear? Leaves on ivy vine. When the last one falls, I must go. She's telling when the last leaf will fall, I will be gone. Means मैं भी चली जाऊंगी. I have known that for 3 days. Didn't doctor tell you? What is Johnson? कि मुझे तो मालूम है कि मैं जल्दी मरने वाली हूँ. डॉक्टर ने आप बताया नहीं. सू को कहती है कि तुझे डॉक्टर ने नहीं बताया कि मैं जल्दी मरने वाली हूँ. Oh, I never heard such a nonsense. She said, what have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? Now Shu is telling कि आईवी वाइन का तेरी तबीयत से क्या लेना देना. दिस इज ऑल नॉनसेंस व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग. and you used to love such a beautiful tree. Like she's saying तू तो आईवी लीफ को बहुत प्यार करती थी, बहुत पसंद था तुझे. डोंट बी सिली. शी इज टेलिंग हर फ्रेंड. चलिए बिलीफ छोड़ दे कि जब लास्ट लीफ गिरेगा तो तू भी मर जाएगी. जस्ट लीव दैट बिलीफ. The doctor said that you had an excellent chance of getting well. What is Shu telling John C? In fact, the doctor has told me that you have a great chance to live and you can get well soon. She's telling her, take some broth. Broth is a soup or a porridge, thick porridge. Normally sick people have because they need to have the nourishing food. Take some broth now and let me get back to my work. She's telling, just have this broth and now let me work. Because she's a struggling artist. Unless and until, like, if they sell the pictures, paint the pictures and sell, they cannot get the money. So she said, let me work. But John C. just kept looking out of the window. But John C. did not respond. She just kept looking out of the window. And then she's telling, there goes another. No, I don't want any broth. She refuses. John C. refuses to have a broth. That leaves four. Now she's saying now another gone, only four are left. Means what? Four are left, leaves. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. She's telling कि रात होने से पहले I want to see the last one fall off. Then I'll go too. And उस last leaf गिरेगा तो मैं भी मर जाऊंगी. She keeps on repeating this sentence again and again. John C. said to Shu, will you promise me to keep your eyes closed and not to look out of the window until I am doing work? John C. is telling Shu, this is what John C. said कि मैं भी मर जाऊंगी. Now, what is Shu telling? कि will you promise me to keep your eyes closed? Means तू आंखें बंद कर and stop looking out of the window until I am done working. जब तक मैं काम finish नहीं कर दूँ. I must hand those drawings in tomorrow. I need a light. Otherwise, I would have to close the window. ठीक है, मुझे ये ड्राइंग कंप्लीट करनी है, कल किसी को देनी है और मुझे लाइट की ज़रूरत है. अदरवाइज मैं पहले ही खिड़की बंद कर देती. आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू कीप लुकिंग एट those silly ivy leaves. Tell me as soon as you have finished, said John C, closing her eyes. जॉन सी फिर आंख बंद कर देती है और कहती है कि तेरी पेंटिंग ख़त्म हो जाए, ड्राइंग तो मुझे बताना. बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू सी द लास्ट वन फॉल. मुझे आखिरी पट्टा देखना है कि कब गिरता है. ट्राई टू स्लीप, सेड शू. आई मस्ट कॉल बहरमैन अप to be my model for the old man that I'm drawing. I'll not be gone a minute. She's telling, I will go and call Mr. Behrman. Mr. Behrman भी एक स्ट्रगलिंग आर्टिस्ट है, वो उसकी ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे, क्योंकि उसको मैं मॉडल बनाऊंगी और मैं पेंटिंग बनाऊंगी क्योंकि मुझे एक ऑर्डर मिला है. ठीक है, मैं जाकर उसको बुला के आती हूँ इन अ मिनट. द ओल्ड Behrman was a painter who lived on the ground floor, but he was a failure in art. For 40 years he wielded the brush but had not made any money. He was a struggling artist. 40 साल तक उसने पेंट किया, फिर भी सिंस 40, लेकिन वो एक अच्छा मास्टरपीस नहीं बना पाया. ही वॉज अ फेलियर एंड उसने इतने पैसे नहीं बनाए थे. ही हैड ऑलवेज बीन He had been always about to paint masterpiece, but had never yet begun. For several years he had only made few paintings. He earned a little by serving as a model. वो उसने कुछ पेंटिंग्स बनाए लेकिन बाकी वो दूसरों के लिए मॉडल बनकर काम कर. मॉडल बनना मीन्स एक जगह पे बैठना और एक आर्टिस्ट उसको देख के पेंट करता है. Serving as a model to the young artist in the colony, he could not afford अनदर मॉडल. मतलब दूसरों के लिए वो मॉडल बनता था क्योंकि जो कॉलोनी में जितने भी आर्टिस्ट रहते थे वो सब स्ट्रगलिंग थे, तो थोड़ा बहुत उसको मिल जाता था. बिकॉज अच्छे अच्छे मॉडल के लिए पैसे भी अच्छे देने पड़ते हैं, तो वो थोड़ा बहुत इस तरह से कमा लेता था किसी आर्टिस्ट के लिए मॉडल बनकर. ही ऑलवेज टॉक्ड ऑफ हिज कमिंग मास्टरपीस. शू टोल्ड बेहरमैन अबाउट जॉन्सीज फैंसी. ना शू ने जॉन्सी की सब स्टूपिड बातें जो थी कि आईवी लीफ गिरेगा वो मर जाए, उसने सब चीज़ बेहरमैन को बता दी. द ओल्ड बेहरमैन वॉज शॉक्ड दैट एनीवन कुड हैव सच एन इडियोटिक इमेजिन्स. मीन्स बेहरमैन को बहुत ही स्टूपिड लगा ये आइडिया कि जब लास्ट लीफ गिर जाएगा तो वो भी मर जाए. इट वॉज अ स्टूपिड इमेजिनेशन. वॉट, ही क्राइड. Are there people in the world foolish enough to die because of the leaves dropping off from the vine? He is telling, are the people in the world so stupid that their life depends on the falling of the leaves? I have not heard such thing. He says, मैंने कभी ऐसी बातें नहीं सुनी. Why did you allow this thought to enter her brain? उनके उसके दिमाग में ये सब बातें तूने कैसे आने दी? किसको कहते हैं? शू को. She is very ill and weak, said Shoo. The fever has made her mind full of fancies. उसको जो बुखार है उसके हिसाब से वो सब stupid बातें सोच रही. She's thinking about all this fancies. Now children, we'll continue with the next lecture. Okay, the margin questions continued. Question number 7. What happened that night and what did the two friends see when the window was open? Answer. Throughout the night there was a rain and a fierce wind, but yet there stood against a brick wall one ivy leaf. It was the last on the vine, still dark green near its stem, but its edges tinted with yellow. It hung bravely from the branch, some 20 feet above the ground. What did Johnsy declare when she saw the last leaf? Answer. When Johnsy saw the last ivy leaf, she declared that it would surely fall that day and she would die at the same time. Question number 9. What changes came over Johnsy the next day and why? Answer. After she saw that the last leaf had not fallen, she was ready to take the broth and milk that Shoo brought to her. She was also confident she would live and hoped to paint the Bay of Naples someday soon. Question number 10. What happened to Behrman? Mr. Behrman downstairs was ill with pneumonia. The sweeper had found him helpless in his room in the very wet clothes and shoes. 2 days later, he died in hospital. Question number 11. Who had saved Johnsy's life and how? Mr. Behrman had saved Johnsy's life by painting the ivy leaf on the wall where Johnsy lived there, instilling hope in her. He had painted it when the last leaf had fallen, and it gave a new lease of life to Johnsy. Lease means hope to Johnsy to live. Okay, children, I hope you have understood the lesson, second part, and please write down the question answers in your notebook. Love you all, miss you. Stay connected and see you in the next session with part 3. Love you all. Bye bye.